Hey everyone, welcome to Storytime with Ms. Anna. Today, we're soaring through the night sky with Luna, a moonlark with a special gift. She lights up the night with her sparkling feathers. But wait, something's wrong. The moon has gone missing, and Luna's feathers have lost their shine. Luna the moonlark wasn't just any bird. Her feathers shimmered with a soft silvery light, reflecting the glow of the moon. Every night she'd fly through the darkness, her feathers illuminating the path for lost creatures and lonely dreamers. But one night, as Luna woke up in her nest, she noticed something strange. The sky was pitch black, the moon nowhere to be seen, and even stranger, her feathers were dull and lifeless. Panic fluttered in Luna's tiny chest. Without the moon's light, her feathers couldn't shine, and the night would be shrouded in darkness. Determined to bring back the light, Luna set off on a journey. She flew past sleepy owls perched on branches, their eyes wide with confusion in the darkness. She soared above worried bats who couldn't navigate the blackness. Luna knew she had to find the moon. Following the faint whisper of a wise old owl, Luna reached a hidden valley shrouded in mist. There, she found a grumpy-looking cloud monster named Nimbus, slumped over a giant rain barrel. "Excuse me, Mr. Nimbus," Luna chirped politely. "Have you seen the moon?" Nimbus grumbled. "Gone on vacation, obviously. Left me here to deal with all this darkness." Luna realized Nimbus must be lonely and grumpy without the moon's company. "But the night creatures need the moon's light," she explained, "and my feathers need it to shine." Thinking for a moment, Luna hatched a plan. She spent the rest of the night singing cheerful songs, telling silly jokes, and even dancing a little jig to make Nimbus laugh. Slowly, a smile spread across the cloud monster's face. Finally, with a hearty chuckle, Nimbus boomed, all right, you win, little bird. Maybe the moon needs a good laugh too." With a flick of his misty hand, Nimbus cleared the dark clouds, revealing the moon peeking shyly from behind. Bathed in the moon's light, Luna's feathers shimmered once again. She soared through the night sky, her feathers spreading a soft glow that brought back light and comfort to the forest creatures. We learned today that even the smallest light can chase away darkness. Just like Luna, with a little kindness and a lot of cheer, we can all help bring light and happiness to the world around us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more moonlit adventures with Luna and her friends.